We are out on an adventure this morning. An adventure to get the bugs off the front of the truck and then go to Red Rocks.
That's right.
It's going to be a good day. It's already warming up though. Yeah, this is all from Kansas after the bad storm. It was totally clean after the storm. Yeah, the diver truck was definitely saying clean me. Oh, clean windshield. We do have some vinegar Windex with us for touch-up. It doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to not look so bad next to Adam's Michelle Cybertruck. You can just see some of the rock formations associated with Red Rocks Amphitheater up there. Nice. Well, definitely you can see now that everything else is trees and then there's the rocks.
So is it a private venue or is it a, well, I guess we'll find out.
State park or a national park
it's
or
a private venue. It's open during the day, free, and then like all summer long there's concerts probably every night of the week, and so there's a concert tonight too, so that's why we come up early. They people come up here and do yoga. They come up here and run the stairs. There's a stair climb up here every year for 9/11 and all the firefighters, and you can sponsor a firefighter and stuff. They come and climb it with all their gear.
Oh.
wow, okay.
Yeah, to show what it was like to climb all the towers.
Yeah.
Towers, yeah.
Wow, those are big.
That is way cool.
This is the hogback on the left, and on the other side is our dinosaur place where they have dinosaur prints and stuff that we've got covers over them, and you can hike to them and stuff.
Nice.
This is also where we drove you'll see in the big parking lot up here where they have the lights where you can drive through the Christmas lights. It used to be at the raceway, but then they sold the raceway, and so now they put it up here. And you can see it from C470, the highway down there. Somewhere.
Yeah, when you guys drove through and sent pictures of that, it reminded me of the big Charlotte Motor Speedway light show that we did one year.
See, and it used to be at our quarter-mile track at Vandermeer.
Oh, there's the amphitheater. Yeah, sure.
Oh, wow. It really is big.
Oh, so this is the parking area you were speaking of.
This might, yeah. Yeah, but we may be able to, it may take us around up more, we'll see. And we could go up there, there's like, I think there's a tunnel up there. Yeah, there is, so we'll have to go drive up there too.
Sure. I like the way you said that, drive up there.
In the air conditioning at those steps. No, I was thinking it was cheating if we don't walk any of the steps today.
No, we can walk down to the stage and then walk back up the steps.
Okay.
Yeah, we can do that. And then there are hikes and stuff too. We can do that.
Wow, who knew it would be this busy? And not just for a concert, you know, just for...
Yeah, for a concert it's insane, because I think it's like 10,000 people are here for the concerts, I think.
So this would be the visitor center here, I guess.
Yeah.
So
I don't know, the truck wants to turn right and then
no, it may go,
left.
The visitor center may be up.
I would let it go.
Okay.
That's a trading post. That's like a gift shop. I don't know that that's the visitor center.
Yeah.
Oh.
Authorized personnel
so the
only.
truck may not know.
And he just thinks we're, you know, but that's okay. We're driving around where it's, oh, look up there.
Oh, I don't know that that's always been there.
That looks nice. Wow.
Well, if I can scooch over there, there's a parking place right there. I don't want to have an accident here. Nobody coming over the hill. Nobody coming over the hill.
Know your snakes here. Rattlesnake or bull snake. I guess the bull snake is harmless and the rattlesnake, well, you don't want to tangle with him. We have snakes in North Carolina that try to fake you out on whether it's a copperhead or not too. Just getting the lay of the land, deciding where we want to drive up here. There's a tunnel and where we want to go walk up by the amphitheater. Yeah.
And this is the amphitheater.
So we're going to go there now.
Okay.
Because then we're parked up here between.
I think this is where we are right
Oh, yeah,
here.
between this one. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I'm determined to do the ramp trail, and it's so far so good. So far so good. Besides, you just stop and take a picture, and then they don't know that you're out of breath. Well, we haven't seen a concert, but we are sitting in the concert seats here at Red Rocks Amphitheater. And it goes up pretty good. I don't know what the seating capacity is, but it's pretty decent.
Yeah, 10,000.
10,000, okay. Limited by the seats and the number of parking spaces, I'm sure. So the trading post was down below and the visitor center is up top. I made all the stairs, yay! At least I don't think there's any more stairs. I'm sure there's trails, but there's not stairs. Well, the stairs are harder than just a straight incline. So this nice ramp walkway was built from 47 through 49. Slightly before the arch.
Well, that doesn't seem like, it says it's only 480 feet. That's 2 football fields, a little less than 2 football fields.
Don said we walked the height of the Statue of Liberty.
That's right.
About the same number of steps.
Yeah,
This rock here.
Right.
Yeah, to get up to the top. Not this location on the walkway, but up.
Yeah,
there.
Up to the top, because they showed a picture of it.
Yeah, they compared it to the height. The Statue of Liberty is 5 feet taller at its highest point than up there where you walk to. All right, we're going through the little tunnel up here. Kind of cool. Does that mean the U-Haul decided not to go through?
I would guess.
Nah, it's plenty high for him. One lane at a time, huh?
Well, it's technically 2 lanes, but
People seem to be waiting.
it's
Wait.
wider than it looks.
EV charging. And, yep, charge point. Just 2 though, right?
Yep.
One pedestal and 2 cables.
Over here too.
Oh, there's another one? Yep, there is one right there, and that one's plugged into the hybrid Pacifica.
Well, it's way.
Sorry, Richard, I didn't mean to laugh.
But they're doing that to cheat the parking.
Yeah, I guess. And then there's also handicapped parking up here if you can't do the stairs. Or don't want to be totally worn out for the concert. We're headed into drive-through Morrison, which is the town closest to the Red Rocks. We came in from one side and now we're going out the other side.
That's right.
Wow.
Yeah. This time of year, everything's all nice and green.
Not so much in July. said it was going to be ready spring of 26. And
we just drove through Morrison, and by the time I got the camera up, we were through the town.
Yes.
But Don and I recognized it because Adam has shot video on his motorcycle through here.
Yeah.
And we recognized him talking about Morrison. All I can say, I've been to my first King Super with Michelle, and it's, you know, it's pretty much like Kroger and Harris Teeter. Right down to the self-checkout. That's pretty.
that is pretty.
All right, we're at Michelle and Adam's neighbor's house, Kurt and
Yeah.
Tracy, getting warm in the 85-degree water pool.
this
It
is
feels great.
Yeah.
This is vacation, isn't it?
This is
It's
good.
vacation. That's right. This is vacation, baby. We're not having the video of me going down the slide, but I've been down it twice. This is Dawn's third time.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Make a big splash. Woo!